First cold start of the year, like actual cold start. It's like 5 a.m. We're on our way to the gym right now, but that's funny. I haven't heard that in a long time. Straight up airplane. 52. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Bet you were not expecting that at the beginning of this video. That's right, cold start season is upon us, and you will probably see hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of more videos just start popping up now because cold start season is officially here. Fall started, was that yesterday? I don't even know. It's like 50 degrees in the morning, and by right now, look at this, we're in cutoffs, shorts, all that kind of stuff. Like it's hot out. It's like probably like 70, 80 degrees right now. But that's this time of the year for you. Here is the video for all of you who were complaining about the mess I had. So Jeffrey, this is one for you. Did clean this up just a bit. I know it's in the background a lot of these videos, but it usually was a mess. Lift kit still for sale. Somebody please buy the stupid thing. 6-inch zone lift for a Ram 2500. Was on the truck for I don't even know how many miles. Obviously it's not new, it's used. Box of parts here, Fox shocks here, radius arms here, and like I said, we have the front Fox shocks that are for an 8-inch lift, so if you want to stick a stack a leveling kit on top, there you go. I'm in Ohio, so unless you're driving a million miles to come pick it up, I don't want to ship it. It's going to cost way too much money, so pick up only. And I don't want you driving from California all the way to Ohio or something crazy cross country. As local as possible, that'd be awesome. But yeah, for sale, DM me. I need that gone like ASAP. It's literally just cluttering up this mess I just tried to clean. So now my favorite part of this whole garage, it's the best $40 I've ever spent. My girlfriend and I organized this. It's $40, and every time I look at it, it just makes me happy. Boom, a detailing shelf. I have all my products, car related and stuff like that on this shelf. Waxes, compounds, Rain-X, gloves. Got a basket full of air fresheners. Got my Jax Wax stuff, my Voodoo Ride stuff, paints and stuff I've used, tire paint, if you remember that video. It lasted decently long. I know everyone asks me all the time. Paint for the truck, clear coat, other tire shines, bug and tar remover. Got my buckets and polisher down here. So honestly, this $40 and this collection, I can't wait for this to grow to like more detailing products, which I actually have a bucket here today. We got a surprise package here that we're gonna get to in a second, but I'm just so happy about the shelf, so happy how it turned out. Looks like a little care package. I had no idea this was coming actually. Look at this, guys. Looks like we got a little care package from Voodoo Ride. So if you guys don't know, I'm a Jax Wax brand ambassador. I'm also one for Voodoo Ride. If you want Jax Wax products, use the code LIME. If you want Voodoo Ride product, use the code RYAN10. There's certain things I use from Voodoo Ride, and there's certain things I use from Jax Wax. So everyone asks me how my vehicles are so darn clean all the time. It's a combination of this stuff right here. I'm actually going to show you guys that today. Looks like we actually got a new foam cannon, so we'll try that out as well. But like I said, if you want any Jax Wax products, use the code LIME. You want any Voodoo Ride products, use the code RYAN10. But I'm going to show you guys today how I mean, this Hellcat is filthy. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it's like really, really bad. I hate to do this to the paint, but like, yeah, the whole car is like that. It's really bad, but we're gonna get this all cleaned up, shined up today. So much brake dust. Look at that right there. Oh, that's awful. And a lot of people are gonna be like, disrespect the Hellcat like that, leave it so dirty. I got two options. Drive this in the rain or drive that in the rain, where I gotta clean the suspension and everything else. So this is easier for now. Yes, I told you I need to find a winter build, and that's definitely coming soon. I don't know if it'll be before SEMA, but it'll definitely be soon after, if not, because I'm gonna need something super quick here. But we got some more sealant. Ooh, more surface detailer. So we got a new polish to try out, another surface detailer. I'm gonna be honest, this is some awesome stuff. This tire dressing, upholstery cleaner, some more car soap. Ooh, cherry air freshener. So last time, this is what I got, citrus scent. That one is very, I can tell you that it's potent and it smells good, but it's strong. Like, you don't need much at all. My girlfriend's probably gonna watch this video and be like, oh my God, here we go. But I just love cherry anything. So anybody that knows me knows I love cherry, but ooh, that smells so good. Wow. And one time I actually mixed the little trees, cherry and black ice together because I wanted the red and black combo. That was very suspect. Never do that. So pick one or the other. Black ice, cherry. Oh, it smells so good. What is this? I don't exactly have chrome, but when we come in contact with chrome on a vehicle, I'll definitely have to try this out. Dang, a new foam cannon. This one is super simple, and we'll just send her home. I've never actually, every foam cannon I've ever got has pretty much been assembled, but this is kind of nice though. And those of you new to the foam cannon world, literally put a little soap in the bottom, fill the rest up with water, and then screw your lid on. See, if y'all didn't believe me how dirty it is, look at the rear of this. This thing is just gross. Absolutely gross. But we're gonna definitely get it all fixed up today. Now, if you guys have been following my channel for a while, this is the same old leaky pressure washer you've seen forever on the channel. I kind of want to build one, and by build one, yes, I'll physically build the power washer combination, and I'll just show you everything that goes into it to build the ultimate power washer to do things like this. And on top of that, it'd probably turn out a lot cheaper than one of these are at like Home Depot or something. So, because I know pressure washers are not always in people's budget, I think I could build one for a lot cheaper. If that's something you guys would want to see, let me know in the comments below, because I feel like that'd be like informational and like help all you out as well. But I think this winter I definitely want to build one. So most of the time, just power washing will get a majority of the crap off that was on here. Obviously you can see it's a lot cleaner. It's still pretty bad, but the majority of the crap that was on here will definitely come off with a good, wash and wax, or good wash from last time. This bug zapper is some gnarly stuff. Definitely shining already. It's not even done, and honestly I probably should do this and then wax it, but I gotta go meet some friends for dinner, so that's not really gonna happen today. I mean, I just went through and did the final rinse off, final wipe down and everything. This is how a car or truck usually sits. If I just need the paint washed, it'll be washed. You still come up on here? Oh, that's an ant. Okay, bye. I thought there's a spot. On Instagram, this is kind of what you see. It's shining. But for the pictures you see on Instagram and the videos and everything, look at that. You can see how glossy it looks and how clean it is. That's pretty much all you need to do. I'm also going to be honest. This bug zapper was freaking insane. That literally just wiped right off. Definitely need to wax this someday. Alright guys, it's actually a day later. I had to meet up with a couple friends before they left town, because right now the paint doesn't feel all like slidey and smooth like you just waxed or just ceramic coated. It honestly just feels clean. I really want to wax this car, or I really want to ceramic coat the car. I actually may run through with the Jax Wax ceramic wax and do the car, because I feel like that would give us awesome results too. But before it starts pouring here, we're gonna run through, and this Voodoo Ride High Gloss tire dressing is awesome because it's like, it's for low pro tires. So whether it's my truck low pro or like this low pro, the spray is very direct, which is super neat. So if you want me to be honest, this stuff compared to the Meguiar's like Hot Shine, I'll have to do a comparison, because I really love that Meguiar's Hot Shine. And this does similar results, but I think that Hot Shine might actually turn out a little bit better. But I'll have to do a comparison one of these days. Alright guys, well there you have it. If you want to know how I keep my vehicle so clean and glossy and all the time, it's honestly just awesome product. If you want some Jax Wax products, like I said, use the code LIME. If you want any Voodoo Ride products, use the code Ryan10, get yourself a discount. But hopefully you guys learned something today. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get on there, click subscribe, take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.